guys, well, I'm getting ready for bed. I got my contacts, my medicine ready. I'm just looking for you guys, for you point of view. Do you think I should get that? Or this is the door trim. It's that. This is how much it is. This is how much it is right here. That's how much. That's how big it is. 32 feet. What? This is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm still looking. That's how it is. But I don't know. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm still like. I'm thinking about I'm going to get it, but I don't know. Yeah, my new YouTube video is on my channel right now. Check that out, guys. It's down below. JK Hunting Fishing. Check that out, guys. Yeah, I'm just chilling right now. It is 11:53. It's almost next morning. Almost 12 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in bed and so yeah, guys. I'm very tired. So alright, guys. Well, I catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. Finally, guys. Finally. I'm so excited. Today's Friday, guys. Can't even wait. And it is so beautiful out. Look outside. It's so nice out. Yeah, it's a nice day. Look at that. It's so beautiful, guys. Yeah, I got up like an hour ago. It is 8:39. I know, guys. I know you probably think, why are you so up late, so up early? Well, because I'm not. I don't know why. I got up at like 6 o'clock. I heard a noise and I went back to bed, and then I don't know. And I just went to bed, back to bed. Who knows? But yeah, it's gonna be a great day. We doing that roof again. So, well, it's gonna be me, Matt, and my dad for now, and then Caleb is coming at like 11 o'clock because he has a dodgeball tournament now. But yeah, guys, this weekend I'm gonna have some good. Hopefully, I got some good content to give you guys this weekend. Oh, that's my neighbor, Fast Freddy. He just flew up the street. But yeah, I'm getting a wife for that and that. So this week tomorrow. So yeah, I moved what's it called? I moved that GPS wire in my car. So it wasn't that bad. And then yeah, I went to see my grandma yesterday at 5 o'clock. That was nice. But yeah, hope you have a good rest of your day, your Friday morning. I'll see you guys later, guys. In the meantime, hope you have a great day. Make people happy and cheer someone on. See you later, guys. Bye. What's up, guys? Well, I'm about to hit the bed, but how was your guys' Saturday night? Was it pretty good? Mine was pretty good, guys. It was good. Yeah, I'm about to hit the bed. It's it's 12:19, guys. It's actually the next morning. It is Saturday, but geez, did I say Saturday night? I mean Friday night, guys. I'm so messed up anymore, guys. It's crazy, but yeah, I'm about to hit the bed. I'm gonna watch some YouTube on my TV, but yeah, I'm gonna go bed probably like 12:40 maybe. I don't know. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and I will see you guys in the morning when I wake up. Alright. Alright guys. Bye. What's up guys? What's up? So, I just came back from my grandma's house. Yeah, I had a good evening with her. I just bought new earpods. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll show you them real quick. Yeah, these are the earpods that I bought right here. Noise canceling ones. Oh yeah, they are at Home Depot, guys. If you want them. Yeah, they're pretty nice. Yeah, I'm going to Walmart tomorrow. I'm going to the gym for the first time in a long time. Probably 8 or 9 tomorrow. Maybe 8, because I do want to get up and I want to get up and just have a good Saturday, you know? Like I want to go there. I have I don't know. My sister gave me 2 of these gaming card things on my phone. So I tried that, and whatever. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to live for maybe an hour. So it'll be like 9 o'clock. And then I'm going to go Walmart then, get this cord I want to get for my computer, like I said yesterday's video. I know. Yeah, I'm just checking on here. Yeah, I'm thinking about playing my Xbox. Play some football, guys. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a Twitch thing. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Yeah, Twitch is gonna be pretty. It is pretty fun because it's. I don't know. I do a lot of videos on there. I have about, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I feel like I have 4, but I do this like every other weekend, you know, guys. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be pretty challenging. Yeah, tomorrow it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm not gonna walk outside. I thought it would be really nice. Actually, change that thought. At 3 p.m. in the afternoon tomorrow, it's supposed to be 60 degrees, so I'd probably take a lap there. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to do bench press and probably walk the treadmill for a little bit. Well, that's my big issue. I want to bench press, I'm just focusing on muscle. Like, I want to get all bunch of muscle, like, on my chest, my arms for work, and just, I want to stay healthy, guys. It's better off to be healthy than being unhealthy, you know what I mean, guys? So, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'll show you my... So, yeah. So I film this real quick. So yeah, this is like what I have. This is what Twitch is. So this is my channel right here. But yeah, like this is all the videos that I do. So you guys, like this is all the videos that I do. Yeah, and I got some here. So total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 videos, so yeah, so that's what I have, like all like total of like how many I have then. Yeah, it's pretty good. I enjoy doing that stuff. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do it in a couple minutes. I'm gonna do probably play football. But yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna play football. Probably I'm gonna play one game without streaming, and then I probably will after that. So, alright, guys. Well, hope you have a great rest of your Friday night, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye, guys. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, and I'm about to go to the gym. So, yeah, it's pretty nice out. See, guys? Nice sky, everything. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah, look at that beauty sky. That's pretty nice. Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna go head out. I'm gonna go put my socks on and shoes on, and I'll see you guys outside. But alright, well, see you then. Alright, bye, guys. What's up, guys? Well, I am going to the gym now, guys. So, oh, man. How's your guys' morning? Alright, guys, well, I will see you guys when I'm at the gym. Alright, bye, guys. Alright, guys, well, I finally made it. I made it to Planet Fitness, guys. So yeah, I'm going to go in, work out for, it's 9:03. I probably work out for maybe for 45 minutes. I don't know yet, but yeah, I will see you guys when I get back. Bye, guys. Yo, guys, we just freaking killed that workout. I did the treadmill first. I killed 52 calories off my body today. So, and then I did bench press. So I did really low. I did 2 tens on each side, and then that was pretty good. It wasn't heavy, or it wasn't light. It was like in the middle. And then I did 25s on each end. Take the 2 tens off first, and then I did 25s, single ones, on each side, and then I did 45s on each end after that. So every 3 sets, I did 3 sets at all of them. So I did that, and then I did this thing. It's a machine, you lift your arms up. I did that 3 sets of 3. So yeah, guys, well, I got done at this place. So now, guys, I'm heading to Walmart. So I will see you when I get there, guys. Alright. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, well, I went to Walmart. I bought this thing for my tires. So yeah, so I got done here at Walmart, and I am headed to Best Buy. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's where I'm heading now. So let's go. See, guys, it's like not even packed today. Are they closed? You see us right now? Bunch of dumb crackers. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, they are closed right now, so I gotta go back up, and they open at 11, so I'm probably gonna run to Dunkin' really quick and head back up here. So alright, guys, I'll see you at Dunkin'. Alright, bye, guys. Alright, guys, well, I got our coffees. Oh yeah, I got done at Dunkin', guys. So oh yeah, it's wow, that's loud. Yes, I am going to do a video on my subwoofer, so be prepared, guys. It is loud. But yeah, I'm going to do that probably later. It is 10:45. I gotta go home, get my dad and my sister the coffee, and I'm running back up to Best Buy real quick. So alright, guys, well, I'll see you when I get home. Bye, guys. What's up, guys? Well, I just got done at Best Buy, so yeah, I'm heading home now. So oh man, I can tell you this, that I went in, I told the guy what I would needed. Yeah, the piece goes behind my monitor is good, but HDMI is connect to it, and it runs to my laptop, but I need another connector to connect to that. So that's what I need to do. But yeah, I'm gonna head home, guys. So I will see you guys when I get home. Alright, bye.